A pleasant day to everyone. I am Glycel Magdua, and for today, I will going to do a short video regarding about the topic that I chose, which is the introduction to using and searching the internet. So, without further ado, let us start. Introduction to using and searching the internet. The ability to identify and operate a web browser is a crucial skill in today's business environment. Why? Because in today's generation, there are lots of information that are not legit and inapplicable. That is why we must make ourselves literate enough to identify appropriate and suitable information to apply in our business. In addition to browser identification, a basic understanding of general browser navigation assists you in searches, presentations, and beyond. So it is very important to have internet in today's generation because it can help us to assist in our searches. It can help us to make our searches more efficient and convenient and easy. And also it can help us to make our presentations more informative. Why learn how to run an internet search? In today's world, businesses depend heavily on computer technology and its connection to the World Wide Web to access vast amounts of information, to conduct research, and to communicate quickly with other business and customers. Understanding how to access and use that information is vital to both small and large business. So in today's generation, most businesses depend on the computer technology and to the World Wide Web or the internet to access or gather information, to make research, and to communicate with their clients or customers. So some of the businesses communicate through the use of email or the social media platforms. So instead of going to where the business is located, so they are going to communicate through email or in the social media platform. Internet browsers. A web browser, commonly referred to as a browser, is a software application for retrieving, presenting, and traversing information sources on the World Wide Web, also known as the internet or the net. So according to the module, a web browser is a software application for retrieving or getting back information, presenting data, and traversing or travel information sources on the World Wide Web. The most popular web browsers are Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, and Apple Safari. If you have a Windows computer, so the Microsoft Edge or the Internet Explorer will automatically be installed in your computer. So as if you are running an Apple computer or Apple device, the Safari is automatically installed in your device or your computer. So in this topic, we focused only on the three primary browsers, which is the Chrome, Firefox, and Edge. So first, let us know what is Microsoft Edge is. Microsoft Edge. Unlike other browsers, which must be downloaded, Microsoft Edge or Internet Explorer comes with Windows. That means if you have a Windows computer, Edge is already on your computer. So unlike sa Chrome and Firefox, ang Microsoft Edge is automatically be installed in your computer if your computer has Windows. So you can open it through the bottom taskbar or sa ubos sa taskbar, or you can go to the start button and find the icon of the Microsoft Edge or search the name of the Microsoft Edge and it will appear in the screen. Google Chrome. One of the most popular web browsers is Google Chrome, often simply referred to as Chrome. So popular jud ni ang Google Chrome, is it because mao man jud ni ang ginagamit nato nga web browsers, and makita po ni siya sa different devices such as computer or in our phone lang. So we can open this also through the bottom taskbar, or we can go to the start menu and look for the icon of the Google Chrome or search the name of it. Mozilla Firefox, often simply referred to as Firefox, is a browser created by the company Mozilla and is another browser frequently used to surf or search the World Wide Web. So, a Mozilla Firefox is created by the company named Mozilla, and same po ni siya sa other browser nga maggamit po ni nato to surf or search. You can also find it in the bottom taskbar or go to the start menu and look for the icon of it or search for the name of it and it will appear. Basic browser tools. Now that we are familiar with what the three main browsers look like, where to locate them, and how to open them, it's time to learn a few of the basic tools to navigate and use a browser window. Even though we use the Chrome browser as an example to show these tools, they can be used in almost any browser. So even though ang gigamit nato ani is ang Google Chrome browser, applicable po ni siya sa any other web browsers. First tool is the arrow buttons. These two arrows navigate the browser back to a previously viewed web page or forward. So if you want to go back to the web page that you previously opened, just click the left arrow, and if you want to move forward, just click the right arrow. Second is the refresh button. This button reloads a web page. If a web page has not completely loaded, refreshing will reload the page so that it completely renders on the screen. So if lag kaayo or loading kaayo ang inyong internet, or dugay mo appear ang web page na inyong gi-click, so just click the refresh button. Third is the new tab button. Opens a new page in the same window when selected. This option allows for many websites to be opened. So if mag-click ka og another website, so automatically the new tab button will appear. Fourth is the address bar. A user can type in a new address to navigate to a new web page. Type a URL into the address bar of a browser, then press the enter. So in this area, this is where we type the address that we want to navigate or to look for. So this is where we type the URL of the topic that we want to search. Or fifth is resizing and closing buttons. These buttons allow a user to change the size of a browser window. So this is where we want to resize, or if we want to close the web page that we are currently working, so just press the close button, or if you want to resize, just click the resize button. Minimize button. When minimized, the browser will remain on the taskbar but not be visibly open on the desktop. So kung i-minimize na to, ma-remain gyapon siya sa taskbar pero dili na to siya makita sa screen. So nakatago lang siya. Maximize button. When maximized, a browser window will enlarge a window, typically filling the entire computer screen. So if i-maximize na to, mas ma-enlarge ang website nga atong gi-search, and it typically fits on the entire computer screen. Close button. This button allows a user to quickly close a browser window when they are finished surfing the internet. So kung di na ka gusto nga mag-search, so just close the button. Menu button. In Chrome, the menu is indicated by 3 vertical dots in the upper right corner of the browser window. Once the menu button is selected, a drop-down menu will appear. Hyperlinks. This is commonly seen in a browser as text, often a blue color. Once the link is selected, the web page automatically navigates to the linked web page, icon, image, graphic, or file.